Top 6 Linux distros that show the desktop future is bright. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. For years, people have asked, is Linux really ready for the desktop? The short answer, absolutely yes. And it's only getting better. Gone are the days of wrestling with command line installs and finicky drivers for basic use. Modern Linux distributions offer polished, user-friendly experiences that rival or even surpass Windows and macOS in many ways, especially for everyday tasks, gaming, productivity, and privacy. Today, we are diving into 6 standout distros that highlight why Linux is poised for even greater adoption on desktop PCs. These aren't just for tinkerers. They are accessible, powerful, and designed with real users in mind. Whether you are a beginner switching from Windows, a gamer chasing performance, or someone who values stability, there is something here for you. So, let's jump in. Number 1. CachyOS. Maximum performance from your hardware. If you want a distro that squeezes every last drop of power from your CPU and GPU, CachyOS is hard to beat. It's built on Arch Linux as a rolling release system. It's heavily optimized with custom kernels, schedulers, and compiler flags tailored for modern hardware, like x86 64 v3 v4 optimizations and gaming-focused tweaks. It's climbed to the top of DistroWatch popularity charts thanks to its strong gaming performance, intuitive installer that lowers the Arch barrier, and excellent out-of-the-box experience. You get the bleeding-edge software Arch is known for, but with more polish and pre-configured options for things like ZRAM and performance tweaks. Perfect for power users and gamers who want speed without constant manual configuration. Many reviewers in 2026 call it one of the fastest desktop Linux experiences available. Now, number 2. PopOS. Modern, productive, and beginner-friendly. Developed by System76, PopOS stands out for its focus on a clean, accelerated workflow. It's based on Ubuntu LTS, but ships with its own cosmic desktop environment, rewritten in Rust for better performance and security. Features like auto-tiling windows, excellent keyboard navigation, hybrid graphics support, and strong NVIDIA or AMD GPU integration make it a favorite for creators, developers, and gamers alike. It's great for newcomers with its straightforward installer and recovery tools, while power users appreciate the customization and native driver support. Even with some growing pains around the cosmic transition in recent releases, it continues to push Linux desktop innovation forward. If you value productivity and a future-proof setup, PopOS delivers. Now, number 3. Fedora Silverblue. Immutable stability with modern conveniences. For those tired of system breakage from updates or experiments, Fedora Silverblue offers a refreshing approach with its immutable, which is atomic design. The core OS is locked down and updated as complete images, while apps run via Flatpaks or containers. This means a more consistent, secure system that's incredibly easy to roll back if something goes wrong. Built on Fedora's cutting-edge packages, but with GNOME and variants like Kinoite for KDE. It's ideal for developers and users who want reliability without sacrificing modernity. Updates happen in the background, and the system feels rock solid for daily driving. It's not for everyone. There is a learning curve for package management, but the benefits in stability and security make it a glimpse into the future of Linux desktops. Now, number 4, Linux Mint, the ultimate Windows friendly on ramp. Celebrating over 20 years, Linux Mint remains a top choice for users switching from Windows. With its Cinnamon desktop, it offers a familiar taskbar, start menu, and a layout that minimizes the learning curve. It comes with proprietary drivers and codecs pre-installed for better hardware and media compatibility right out of the box. Recent versions like 22.3 emphasizes stability, low resource usage, and ease of use, making it perfect for older hardware or non-technical users. No command line required for most tasks, and a huge community provides excellent support. It's not the flashiest, but its reliability and it just works philosophy have converted countless users, and it continues to thrive in 2026. Now, number 5, Debian, timeless reliability and longevity. Debian is the grandparent of many successful distros, including Ubuntu and Mint, and proves Linux staying power at over 30 years old. The stable branch prioritizes rock solid dependability with long term support, often 5 plus years per release, extendable further via LTS. It might require a bit more initial setup compared to Mint or PopOS, but once running, it's incredibly dependable for servers or desktops. Excellent for users who value consistency or the absolute latest software. Many other distros build on Debian, so its influence ensures Linux ecosystem stays strong for the long haul. Now, number 6, Zorin OS, seamless migration from Windows or macOS. Zorin OS excels at making Linux feel instantly familiar. Based on Ubuntu, it features a customizable GNOME-based desktop that can mimic Windows or macOS layouts with just a few clicks. It's packed with tools to ease the transition, including Windows app compatibility options and a polished, attractive interface. Recent versions, like 18.1, focus on performance improvements, hardware support, and user friendliness. It's especially welcoming for beginners and those frustrated with modern OS changes from Microsoft or Apple. Zorin prioritizes stability and familiarity, making it a top recommendation for smooth switching. Now, why these distros matter for Linux future? These 6 distributions showcase Linux diversity and maturity, from high-performance gaming rigs, which is CachyOS, to bulletproof daily drivers like Debian and Silverblue, and welcoming environments for newcomers like Linux Mint and Zorin. Combined with improving hardware support, tools like Flatpak and Pipewire, and growing communities, the Linux desktop has never been stronger. Linux desktop market share continues to grow steadily, driven by privacy concerns, better gaming via Proton, and dissatisfaction with lockdown alternatives. whichever you choose. The open source ecosystem lets you customize to your heart's content while keeping things secure and efficient. If you are thinking about making this switch, start with a live USB. Most of these are easy to test without installing. Drop a comment below with your favorite distro or what you are running right now. Like and subscribe for more Linux content. And I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching, stay curious and keep exploring.